Hi, friends. Welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. And I try to bring you the best deals at Walgreens and various other stores. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and leave me any questions, anything that you want to say down in the comment section. Say hi and share the video so we can help more people save their money. Make sure you're sharing the video so more people can save their money at Walgreens and other stores. This is going to be the early ad preview. Let me go ahead and share my screen so we can go ahead and go over these deals. I'm not going to lie to you, it's not the best and it's not going to be the best week, but I'll go over every single thing in detail and you'll decide. You'll decide if you're going to be shopping the deals that end March 25th, which is this Saturday, or you're going to start shopping the deals that start March 26th. I recommend you do the deals this week because they're much better this week than next week. Let me go ahead and go over the deals. And what I'll do here is I'll scroll through. I'm going to go ahead and scroll through the entire ad, but you'll be able to get my insight, my input on these deals, what I'm going to be skipping on, and what possibly will be a good deal next week. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe so YouTube can keep notifying you as soon as these videos go up. Buy one, get one half off on the Walgreens brand health and wellness products, and you get 5% cash back or Walgreens cash rewards. Walgreens vitamins and supplements and probiotics are going to be buy one, get one free, plus 5% cash rewards. Buy two, get one free on the Coca-Cola products. The deals are the week. Deals are the week. Yeah, they're weak. They're weak this week. Deals of the week are on the following products, and I'll let you see them. Buy one, get two free on Arm & Hammer laundry care. That does include the beads and the pods. Buy one, get one free on the Kellogg cereals, and I love my Fruit Loops. $5 for Scott Paper products. If you haven't watched my video that I posted last night or yesterday, go watch it. We did an online video or an online deal for Scott Paper products where we got it completely free, and I go over how to do that in that video. Go watch it. It'll be posted towards the end of this one. All right, here we go. Get ready, friends. Buckle up. When you buy three, let me highlight that. When you buy three Crest or Oral-B products, dental care, depending if you want to pick up the $3 ones or the $4 ones, we're going to be getting a $5 store reward. The deal that ends this week is buy two, get four. So it's much better deal this week than next week. Again, for the Olay or Old Spice bath care, when you buy three next week, you'll be getting $5 back in store rewards. Not the best deal because you have to spend $21. And if you only have a $5 coupon or a $1 coupon, depending on what you get, it might not be worth it. So get this deal this week before it ends on Saturday. The next deal is on the Gillette Old Spice or Secret deodorants. When you buy two, you'll be getting a $2 in-store rewards. That prints out at checkout. Pantene hair care is buy three, get $4 in store rewards, and they're $5 to $9. When you buy three Pampers or Ninjamas, you're going to be getting a $5 store reward. The deal that ends this week is buy two Pampers or Ninjamas, and you'll be getting $4 back in store reward. Let me go ahead and scroll through. I'll let you take a look at the rest of the stuff, and I'll pick up in a couple minutes. I'll just scroll through really quick because I know I don't want to make this video too long. I want to make sure that you guys make a decision early on before the deals end on Saturday, so you could go to your store and take advantage of these deals before they end. Buy one, get one free with my Walgreens on the following products: Energy Boost, Sleep Stress, vitamin supplements, probiotics, immunity, digestive health. And on all of those, you'll be getting 5% back in Walgreens cash rewards. Here we are. Here's some more products. None of these are giving you back cash rewards or register rewards this week. But if you need them, if you need to pick these up, check your Ibotta app, check any of the rebate apps to see if any of those are giving anything back. Goli supplement gummies are buy two, get $5 back in cash rewards if you want to pick those up this week, starting on Sunday. And here's a couple more products. Okay, let me go ahead and scroll down. There we go. Okay, Sorry, my mouse just got froze for a minute. Medicines and treatment. These are the following products that are going to give you $5 in store rewards. That'll be on the Nasonex allergy relief. And you can check out the rest of the stuff here. Claritin is earn $5 in store rewards when you buy two. $5 in store rewards when you buy two Flonase or Sensimus. And here's some more products. We're going to get to the household and pet section really, really soon. That's my favorite section. I don't know about you, but I love my household my household deals. Any deals that are almost free or something that gives me register rewards or cashback, I enjoy. So I'm sorry if I'm scrolling too fast, but I just don't want this video to be too long. I want to make sure that more people could get in on these deals and get ready with me for next week's deals. Okay. All right. Let's go to home health care. We're almost there. Home health care, 5% cashback on Walgreens at home COVID kits, COVID test kits. Okay. All of the Walgreens blood pressure monitor, Serenity underpads, and Comfort Lugs underwear are giving you back 5% in Walgreens cashback. Okay, let's continue. Personal care. We already touched on a couple of these. Remember, these deals are better this week. The deals that end this week are much better. Get in on those deals before they end Saturday. X body spray, deodorant, or hair care is posted here, but it doesn't show us what the deal will be next week. It doesn't give you anything cashback or register rewards cashback for those deals. 2 for $7 on the Garnier Fructis. This week is much better because we're getting that $4 register reward printed, and that's a store coupon. Go watch that video if you haven't done so. I picked up that glitch and I got in on all those hair shampoos for 50 cents, hair care for 50 cents each. Spend 20, get $10 back in Walgreens cash rewards for the Nexus hair care this week. Buy two, get $2 back in cash rewards for John Frieda hair care. Spend 20, get 5 in Cantu hair care. Okay. I'll let you check out a couple more here. Buy one, get one half off on Gillette shave cream, foam, or gel and exfoliant. Or exfoliant, buy two, get $4 in store reward. I'm surprised that there's not that many deals giving you anything back. You know, it's like, what's going on, Walgreens? Now you're asking us to buy even more than before in order for us to save an extra dollar. I don't think so. I'm not going to buy an extra item just to save an extra dollar. No, I'm not doing that. But that's just my opinion. Spend 15, get $5 back in Walgreens cash rewards on Nivea products, and it does include the $4 ones. So pick up the $4 ones or the $5 ones, whichever ones you need. That's on body wash. Spend 10, get 5 in store reward for Crest Fix-It-Dent, Oral-B, Burt's Bees, or Scope products. And you can see a picture there of everything that's listed. Earn $2 when you earn $10 cash rewards when you buy two Crest teeth whitening products. You're going to be getting a free Arm & Hammer Spin Brush Pro Deep Clean with your My Walgreens and a purchase of any Arm & Hammer Spin Brush Pro Gum Health brush. Sure, going to be costing in my store because this deal is going to be in store. We may be able to do it online. I'm going to be checking. Online is usually cheaper, so I'll let you know on Sunday morning. Okay. Let's continue with the rest of these deals. Buy one, get one half off on CeraVe skincare, Neutrogena moisturizers and treatments are buy one, get one 50% off. Olay premium moisturizers are $29.99. None of these deals are giving you anything back. None of these deals are giving you anything back. But anyway, let's continue. Beauty products are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. And we're not getting any register rewards back or any cash rewards back on these beauty products this week. All right, our favorite section, household and pets. Who's ready? Write this down. 4 for $9 is back. And that's on the Bounce, Downy, Tide, and laundry care. Did I say Bounce? Yes, Bounce laundry care. All of those pictured on the right, you're going to be able to pick the Downy Unstoppables, Downy laundry care, Tide Simply. You could get the pods or you could get the liquid detergent, and you can get the Bounce sheets. Buy one, get two free on the Arm & Hammer products. $15.99 for the large size Downy or Gain and Tide with laundry. Tide laundry care. Tide with laundry. What do I say? Tide with Downy. I'm a fan of Tide with Downy. I don't know about you all. $3.79 on the Purex laundry care, and this is going to be a very good deal. $4.99 for the Dawn dish spray. When we buy 4, we're getting a $4 back in store reward. That'll make each of these $3.99. Not a bad deal. When we buy 4 of the Dawn Platinum, we're going to be getting $5 back in store rewards. Remember, I would suggest you pay with points in order for you to lower your out of pocket. I'm loving this one, the Dawn Easy Squeeze Soap. This one's going to be $3.99. When we buy 4, we get a $4 register reward printed at checkout, making each of these $2.99. Cascade products are going to earn you $5 in store rewards when you buy 4. All of those deals, you must pay them separate. So pay the Dawn deal first, then the Cascade, then the Dawn Power Wash, etc. Separate transactions in order for you to get your register reward printed for each of them. I'm loving this Swiffer household cleaning product deal. When we buy 4 items, we're going to be getting back $5 in store reward. That's $5.49 times 4. That'll be about $21. Make sure you use any points that you have. Use cash rewards to pay and get your $4 in register reward back. Walgreens bad tissue is going to be 2 for $10, and paper towels as well. None of the Bounty or Charmin are giving us any cash back or any register rewards back this week, starting Sunday. So make sure you get in on those deals before they end. I brought you a deal on Sunday or Monday for the Bounty paper products and the Charmin. Make sure you check that video out. We got a $5 rebate. It's on its way. I'm about to get my $5 Visa gift card. Yes. $3.99 for the Febreze air refresheners. When we buy 4, we get $4 back in store reward or register reward. That'll make each of these $2.99. $5 back in store rewards on the Febreze double pack or twin pack. They're $5.49 each next week. Here's a bunch of other deals. Grocery deals. Let me go ahead and scroll through these. I'm just going to skim through them. If you need to pause the video, pause the video. If you need to forward it, forward it. If you need to rewind, do whatever you need in order for you to get your deals, okay? If you have a $4 store coupon, you can use it for this Folgers Classic Roast Coffee. That'll bring this down to 49 cents with that $4 coupon that you can use in store. Just a suggestion, if you have the $5 one that we got this week on the paper products, use it there for the Jif peanut butter and pick up your Smucker's fruit spread. Grape and strawberry are available. Pick up one of each if you want, and you have sandwiches. All you need to get is your bread. 2 for $5. You'll be paying with a $5 register reward, making your out-of-pocket $0 for 2 of those items. Okay, that's how we shop at Walgreens. Get your rewards and use them to buy your food. Save your money. Save your cash money. Do not use your cash. If you already have rewards and you have cash rewards in your Walgreens account, why not use that? Why are you using your cash money to pay? Or why are you going to the grocery store to pay when you have all of those points in your account? Use the points. Save your money, people. It's about saving money. That's why we try to make it as easy as possible for you to save your money here on this channel. Thank you all for subscribing to Easy Couponing. So let me go ahead and scroll through these. I don't particularly drink, but if you do, those are the deals there on drinks or alcohol. Candy and chocolates, and I'll be scrolling through so you can get an idea of what's on sale next week, starting on Sunday. Let me know if you like these type of videos in the comment section. If you like the early ad previews, I do, because it helps me get ready for the deals on Sunday. And it makes it easy. I take notes and I get ready for my shopping hauls Sunday morning. Let me know what you think, if you like these type of videos or not. Seasonal toys and gifting. $1.99 Easter gifting to $12.99. Okay, buy one, get one half off on Jenga or card games or toys. Here's some other items that you could pick up. You're going to be getting a free $10 Walgreens gift card on the purchase of 2 $50 Google Play gift cards. So you have to spend $100 to get $10 back in Walgreens gift card. I say, oh, no to that one. I'm going to pass up on that deal. Photo and electronics. These are the codes that you're going to be needing for 60% off on cards and stationery. You're going to be using Spring Joy. Spring Can will get you 60% off on canvas prints. Spring Fun will get you 40% off on photo gifts like cups and pillows. Spring Me will get you 40% off on prints, posters, and enlargements. And there's no minimum this week. Get them. That's a good deal because there's usually a 75 picture minimum, right? Okay, let's continue. And finally, we get to the online exclusive deals. Let's go ahead and see what codes we're going to be using online to make our purchases this week at Walgreens. You're going to use the following code WAG20 to save 20% off Walgreens brand products. You're going to be saving buy one, get one 50% off on Walgreens brand skincare online, plus an extra 20% off with code WAG20. You'll save $7 or you'll get $7 in rewards online when you spend $25 or more in allergy products. With code VITA15, you'll be saving 50% off, 15% off on the purchase of $40 in vitamins with that code. 3 off of 20 online only for L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics, and 10% off a $20 purchase of Guardian Skincare online only. And you can shop those deals through Walgreens.com or the Walgreens app. And you get a special reward for purchasing Pantene online this week or next week, starting on March 26th through April 1st. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're going to be shopping this week or you're going to be shopping next week. What are your thoughts on these deals, if you like them or not? And I'll be seeing you all on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And with that being said, bye, guys.